I want to start by welcoming you to the Sound Museum. I hope the long flights were not too taxing and that your stay at the hotel has been restful so far. So I looked up and ahead and saw. It took me a moment to notice that there were things dangling from them. It was as if they had put a movie on pause. You know when you hold a seashell to your ear and hear the sea? Wasn't that magical? That's why I suggested from day one that our architectural team look into the form of seashell for our sound center and museum. Pick it up from the shelf and everything might clear our museum would have, and the dangling corporeal multi-layered one that pollutes not just the visitor memories but also their imagination.